Hey guys, I'm making this video as a video update for my vehicle that's not running currently. After this video, you will see shortly what took place. I took the battery to AutoZone. I basically had the car towed. I had a little issue getting the car towed because certain people don't want to move the cars. But apart from that, the car is currently in the shop. It wasn't the battery. I thought it was a battery, but it's not the battery. The battery is actually fine. Other than that, without further ado, here's the video. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to AutoZone to replace the Ford factory battery. It has 650 cold crank amps, but I don't know if this is really the issue. I tried the spark plug and nothing is wrong with it. I'm just gonna go take it to AutoZone and see what they say about the battery. If not, just gonna buy me one today. I'll keep you updated. Well, the tow truck guy is here. Tow my truck. He tried jumping the car too. It's not jumping. So it's on its way to the dealership. Had to put the car in neutral. Now he's just gonna pull it from the parking spot. All the way. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. There's just a few things I wanted to speak about. I know I said spark plugs, but I didn't mean spark plugs. I actually meant fuses. I checked the fuses. The fuses were fine. You know, the fuses on the inside, the interior of the car was very hard to get to, but they seemed very fine. It was really difficult to get to those fuses. Other than that, we actually had to pull the vehicle back. I had to actually shovel the snow that was behind the car. Then he had to use the truck and pull the car back, and then he turned the truck back around and actually pull the car out, because if he had tried to pull the car out from the front, it would have hit the car from that was in front of mine's, and we were trying to avoid that. Actually, it took about 3 hours or more to actually get the vehicle out to actually tow it, but we actually got it out. It was towed to the shop, and that's where it is right now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share it to your friends, and thank you for watching.